Hi. So we're gonna do the breathing exercise. So this one is gonna be a little bit more intense and gonna be with sound also. Okay, not only the, but so it's gonna, the speed is gonna build up, and yeah, well, and you're gonna use the movement also. So you can do seated or standing. So the speed, the rate of breathing is gonna build up, and at some point you're gonna just let your body and take over. Okay, for the breath, for the sound. So it's gonna be a little bit like that. So again, relaxed position, straight, ear over the shoulders, shoulders over the hips. So inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Okay. And inhale, you open. So and exhale, you close. Okay. It will be like this. Then you relax. Okay. As you've seen, I've done like 2 cycles of building up. You can do it more and more and more if you want. One thing is just don't pass out, because if you breathe too much, then you're gonna become dizzy, probably. Okay, if you're not used to it, because of it's only a lot of oxygen. And the sound doesn't have to be like this. It can be a cough, it can be a cry, it can be laughter, it can be anything. It can be just a... It can be shaking also, depends. So really allow yourself to feel free to move, to express yourself. Okay? It's a little bit coming back to the instincts, the animal instinct of, yeah, just the cat that stretches because you just need to. The lion or the gorilla that just growls and just making this huge noise, because that's who they are, because they're proud of who they are, and they show it. So now show yourself how to do it. Show yourself who you are inside, not only here but just inside in your guts. Okay.